Good morning and welcome to week 5 of online learning. This is Mrs. Owens as usual. I just wanted to show you for this week a couple things. One, I have changed my tutoring times to Monday and Wednesday during the week, and that's just because nobody was showing up, but I'll be waiting there on Monday and Wednesdays. If you need extra help or you want one-on-one, just ask me and we'll set up a Zoom time whenever works for us. Also remember that you can join my Remind. You text 81010 and you put at Owens-math, and you could text me and I can answer questions that way as well. All right, and so when you go to your classwork for this week, of course it is the week of 420, you have 2 videos. Okay, so multiplying mixed numbers. Mixed numbers, remember, like 1 and 1/2 or 2 and 2/3, those are mixed numbers. And multiplying just regular fractions. So these 2 are videos that you want to watch and then mark as done when you have completed it. Your practice is right here, and that is for you to complete, and there's an answer key included, so you can go ahead and check and see how you did, and then you would also want to mark as done. Your assignment is a 5-question quizzes. So you go ahead and do this, and remember, take your time. You can do it as many times as you want until you get 100, and then turn it in. And then your exit ticket is a question asking you to answer what do you understand about multiplying mixed numbers that you didn't understand last week. So basically just a what did you learn type of question. Okay, so be sure you're watching these videos, trying to practice. If you're still stuck, get with me. Remember at the tutoring link I provided. This only works at 1 o'clock to 1:30 on Monday and Wednesdays, but remember again, talk to me. We will help you and get it done for this week, okay? So have a wonderful week, and I look forward to hearing from most of y'all.